Are you in search of a company that can handle your home or business audio-visual, low voltage, or other technical requirements? Do you need to update your home or business with today's trending audio-video, wired or wireless technologies? Well, look no further. Evolution Installs is the place to call. Everything we do can be tailored to your setup, vision, and your budget. We specialize in TV wall mounting services, home theater design and installation, audio-visual design, intercom upgrades, low-voltage wiring, Wi-Fi setups, smart security camera installs. The list goes on. Why choose Evolution Installs? We bring knowledge, experience, and, of course, the best price in town. For more information, visit www.evolutioninstalls.com or dial 708-444-8474 today.